doing some window trim finally. So, I suppose we'll do a little how-to for you guys.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys.
That's him.
Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
I've got a bunch of different pieces of wood, different sizes. The way I like to do this is I start with my base piece, and my side pieces and middle pieces are going to sit on top of it. This is 1/2 inch thick, and then it depends on the depth of your window for how wide you want it to be. I'm going to do these 3 windows all in one piece, so I'm holding this up here right now. I have measured, and my measurements are wrong, so I got to mark this again here in just a second, and then I'll start cutting. What I'm doing here is one of my windows had a really deep window well, so I'm just combining 2 of these pieces. So you've already missed some of this, but I've already Craig jigged it, drilled the holes here, and I just wood glued it. Now let me screw it together and give it a good sanding. So my liquid nails ran out, and my other tube that I had was dried up too. It'll be alright, there's enough here. But I'd throw some wood glue down just cause.
I think so.
You snuck down here.
Did they scare you?
I barely heard you, but I keep thinking you're gonna scare me. So this is how the playroom looked when we first bought the house.
Right before we moved in, we did a quick coat of paint and got some new carpet. And this is where we're at with it now. We still have some to do down here. That treadmill will be gone, and we've got a fun project coming in that corner. I need to finish that tiny corner of the brick. And then there's a little sneak peek of our video next week. We're really excited about that one. But here it is. That window trim made a huge difference.
You're still too short, huh? Because if you try to stop right now, what's going to happen? Yeah, you got to put your foot out just like that. Can you hold it up?
No.
Just don't get off. I'm saying just hold it.
Okay.
You holding it?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's too heavy for you still, huh?
Whoa, whoa.
I'm holding it, buddy. It won't fall on you.
Tipping off both sides,
Put your
huh?
feet on the pegs there.
Hold your horse. Hold your horses, Mom.
Oh! You okay?
Yeah.
My gosh, buddy, you scared me. You alright?
Wait,
Okay, be careful.
One you found was mine. Hold it.
We always try to let our kids try things that are maybe just a little bit risky but not too unsafe. We feel like it helps them learn their limits and also develops their skills. So even though Max fell off that fence just a few minutes ago, he climbed right back up and was able to hang on the next time.
Check it out.
I see it. I can't see it.
Good job, bud.
Should we leave him in the water so he moves?
Nope, we'll get him out real quick. Hold it. Get your feet under you. Set him down right there on the ground.
Good job, Max.
Now let me get the hook out. Can you just hold still? Winston, get.
Okay, that was good.
Is that your first fish?
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Do you want to give him a kiss?
Hey, give him a big kiss. Big kiss. You want to touch him?
No.
Give him a little pat. Oh, he almost bit you, huh? Give him a little pat. Oh, he almost bit you, huh?
Whoa, Lincoln. Travis, you want to help Link?
Oh, yeah. Hey, good job, Link.
I've got two now.
Nice.
Okay, don't yank on this, okay? Here, just bring him up to me and see what
Oh, he got the worm.
He definitely did.
Woohoo!
But if there's something green, then I wouldn't.
Okay, do you feel anything yet?